This is a review of the Chirp RPM Mini. RPM stands for Rolling Powered Massager, and it's made by the same people who invented the Chirp wheel. The RPM Mini is kind of like 6 massage sticks put together. A rolling massage stick is good for hitting a lot of tissue at the same time, but you have to put a lot of manual pressure down to get really deep into the tissue. The RPM Mini is like 6 of those put together, and then each of them roll around the cylinder. So you have 21 individual massage heads. To turn the device on, you just hold down the power switch, and then there are 3 speeds: slow, medium, and fast. Then you can apply pressure down into your tissue, and you don't have to worry about creating the rolling force manually. So you can put more pressure down and get a little bit deeper than just a massage stick. It's kind of like a combination between a massage stick and a massage gun. It has the advantages of a massage stick that you can hit a large area in a fairly short amount of time. And it also is automated like a massage gun. It probably doesn't go quite as deep as a percussive massager, but you can hit a larger area. This is great for big muscle groups like your quadriceps or your calves. You can use it on your chest muscles or on your shoulders or even on your upper trapezius by your neck. It charges with a USB-C cable, and it also has a travel case so you can take it along with you on the road. So that's my review of the Chirp RPM Mini. I'll put a link down below this video if you'd like to check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.